Hey guys, today we will be unboxing a stunt dog toy. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. So this is a stunt dog toy, and this you can program it to stunts to do stuff like you can control it with your speech. It can sing. It can do like cool moves. And you can program it to whatever you want it to do. Now let's open the box. Okay, now let's open it. Ooh! This is our smart dog toy. Okay guys, so here is what we have. We have our smart dog toy, we have our remotes, and we have our batteries to charge it. And we have like a bluish color, blue and silver color, a gray color, and we have black. Here's our dog. It has a tail. And this is a remote. Whoa, this is a very different remote. I haven't ever seen this kind of remote before. And now, here are the batteries. So this has a battery and a charging cable. Right here, this is the charging cable. And it's the screw. And here is the battery. Now let's put the battery inside a dog. Okay guys, so we put the battery in and it has another battery so you can play. When the battery is finished, you can put another one. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Now let's turn on the dog. Here is the on and off button. As soon as you press it, it's gonna start performing. So that was like a 1-minute performance. This remote has all sorts of buttons, like stunts and the music buttons right here. Like, oh, what's wrong? And the pause button. I can take this to the playground and play with my friends' paws. They won't even know. So, and here are all the buttons. This is like the walk forward and all the other stunts you can do. Now I'm going to show you all the stunts that he can do. That was one of them. Okay, now let's show you the buttons. Let's press this one. This is the music number 1. Good job, doggy. Now let's show you another one. number 3, the music one. Okay, now let's show you another button. What's wrong? You want food? I think he wants some food. I really like that they included songs. It's fun for like babies. It has a lot of moves. You can almost play with this every day. So you can play with this dog for about like 30 minutes. And if you don't do any activities with it, it's gonna turn off. So it doesn't lose battery. I hope you guys liked our video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye!